So, as I said, our company is a manufacturer of aftermarket truck parts. We manufacture and distribute parts for the truck industry. We also distribute through partners. Today, I have a part I want to analyze as requested by one of our distributors that we work with, starting with part number 12254 from DT Spare Parts. So, um, uh, a little bit of an overview on the interface from here. So, um, um, well, here, actually, I'll jump ahead a little bit. I'll start with the price matching tool. So, after entering the part number and manufacturer, I let the system run for a moment, and that puts us into the progress indicator that lets me see the steps that are being taken. So, in the real world, the database would already be updated, but for this demonstration, we did a forced sync just so all of you could see the different connections that the database benefits from. The progress indicator lets me see the progress of the connectors, and so it gives you insight into what's going on in the background. So some of the additional technology at work here includes an AI agent connected to our ERP connector. So our ERP connector is connecting to Next ERP, though it could connect to any ERP system that you may have. But here at Acme, our ERP connector maintains an up-to-date set of internal data that mirrors what's in our financial system so that the system can intelligently compare prices with prices found from our competitors' websites and other sources. Because I have real-time access to our internal ERP system, our price comparisons will benefit from real-time, accurate information, accounting for any price increases or decreases that happen in our ERP system in real time. And we also see that the process has successfully accessed our PLM connector. So for our company at Acme Truck Parts, we connect to Windchill PLM, but our RAP PLM connector can connect to any PLM system out there. And in a PLM system, for our particular environment, that's where we maintain data about specific part attributes like dimensions, which are useful for our comparisons. The connector can also determine things like if the part's been obsoleted, if that's where we track that information. Being able to access the PLM system as well as the ERP system allows us to access, again, latest up-to-date information from our design and engineering team. So if changes happen from their department, our sales and pricing teams benefit from those changes immediately as well. So finally, the system uses the RAP agent, AI agent, to complete initial part matching between our internal systems and the database of competitive parts. Our AI technology uses its large language modeling to find parts that match in form, function, and description. And then by getting an exact match, we can respond to competitive situations quickly and with a high level of confidence that we have best pricing. So with the matching done and the data brought up here, the part matching results screen gives me a side-by-side comparison of one of our parts that match the competitive part in description and function. So here on the screen, our part is reflected on the right-hand side of the screen, and the competitive part is on the left-hand side of the screen. This screen gives me key data about both parts, including description, key statistics, and price, giving me high confidence that we have a part that will function function the same as the competitive part. This screen makes it easy to confirm that a good match has been found. Additionally, it'll give me any competitive differences, for example, price, but other areas as well. Right from the part matching results, I can